In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate your references from RefWorks to Zotero. I will show you how to export and save your references in RefWorks, and how to then import those saved files into Zotero. Before you begin, you should make sure that you can log into your RefWorks account via Western Carolina University. You should also make sure that you create a Zotero account and have downloaded access to Zotero either via their browser plugin or their desktop option. You should also make sure that you've saved any PDFs or other attachments that you may have added to RefWorks. Those items will not be exported with your citations and will need to be saved individually to your computer. To begin with, you'll want to open up a browser and log into RefWorks. There are two options for exporting your references. One is to export your references in one long list. The other, if you've created folders to organize your references, is to export those folders individually so that you can maintain that organization in your new system. Because the process for exporting your references is the same, I'm going to show you how to export a folder. In RefWorks, go to Organize and Share Folders tab, and then select the item that you would like to export. When you're ready to export your references, under References, choose Export. In the dialog box, make sure that under References to Include, that All in List is chosen to make sure that everything in your folder is going to be migrated over. Under Select Export Format, make sure to set to bibliographic software. When you're ready to export your references, click the Export References button. A pop-up window or a new tab will open up with your list of references in it. If you have a pop-up blocker installed on your browser, you may have to allow RefWorks to use pop-ups in order for this part of the process to work. You can right-click anywhere in the page and choose Save Page As. If you're downloading folders, I recommend renaming your folders so that you'll be able to find them and upload them and name them correctly when you're ready to import them into Zotero. The important thing to remember is that the Save as Type file should remain text document or .txt file, as the type of file that you'll need in order to import into Zotero. When you're ready, you click Save. We're finished with this window so that you can close it. When you go back to RefWorks, you can close the dialog box and repeat the process for each individual folder that needs to be exported. If you want to export all of your references, you can go to the default RefWorks page, make sure that you're looking at all references, and then go through the export process that way to export them all in one list. When you're ready to import your references into Zotero, make sure that you either click on the Zotero button in Firefox located in the upper right-hand corner, or if you're using the standalone version, open up Zotero Standalone. Both windows will look the same, those will be located in two different places. When you're ready to import, under the cog wheel, click it and choose Import. You'll want to browse to wherever you saved your files, choose a folder that you want to upload, and click Open. Zotero will automatically use the naming function that you used for that file and upload all of them together into a folder. These also exist in your main My library, which will include both things in folders and things that are unfiled. You'll repeat this process for each individual folder. If you have any questions or you're still running into problems with your migration process, please feel free to use our chat widget on the Hunter Library website, or contact Kara Barker at the email address seen here for more assistance.